Thanks for joining us. Today we're making the triple chocolate cake for our dessert after Thanksgiving dinner. We're making this because we know our Papa Jeff loves chocolate.
We're going to be using the Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Triple Chocolate Cake Mix to top it off with Betty Crocker's Hershey Milk Chocolate. So what we doing first is...
First thing we did was we preheated the oven and we sprayed our pans, and now we're going to start mixing our cake mix.
You want to open it?
Sure. Okay, so we got
Wheat. We got some wheat.
It's not wheat. And we got our cake mix.
Beautiful cake mix.
And that's all that comes in the package.
All that comes in with the package.
So we're
I
gonna
kind of crazy.
So we're gonna cut open.
Wait, I just still in the box. I'm just gonna act as a soft crusty dusted. Load that right here. Ingredients. I'm ready to pour it in.
I'm gonna let you pour it here. Don't worry. Okay, you can pour it in.
Horrible cutting skills on.
Okay. So after we add our mix in, we are going to add in our water. And for water, you need
Water.
You need 3/4 cups of water.
Water. You need water. Do we need a spoon?
No, not to this stuff. Then you're going to add in 1/3 cup of oil.
So it should be about what it says to third.
Well done, Ava.
In California.
Yes, you can pour it in.
Pour it in all everywhere. That's the step. That's the key. You pour it in everywhere. And then you rip it off like a pickle. And it's a beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Okay, and the last part of that is to add in the 3 eggs, which I'm going to second egg.
So, we're adding in 3 eggs. This is the second egg. It ain't working with this. And here is our lucky third egg. Quick team. Okay, it looks amazing right now. But let me show y'all. Like, actually, I'll mess it up and I'll spill it. I'm not even gonna do nothing.
After you put all your stuff in the bowl, you're gonna mix it for 30 seconds.
She is done.
After you blend it for 30 seconds, you are going to beat it at medium speed for 2 minutes.
Clean. Hopefully y'all can see that without me spilling it.
So now we have beaten it into it. So now we're going to pour the batter into the pan.
I'm scared.
Here.
So, she's pouring it in right now. It looks actually very good. I really want this.
It's kind of liquidy.
It's liquidy, she said. Okay, I like coffee. It looks very delicious, like I said 5 times. Put some in there.
Give me a second.
Thank you for a second. Hello.
Hey, look.
You said
Please stop. Okay.
how much chocolate's in there?
Well, it is all chocolate.
Well, sorry, sarcastic.
Okay, so after you have poured it into the pan, you're going to combine cocoa pouch, which I'm guessing is this thing right here,
Wheat.
with water in a small bowl until well combined.
Small bowl.
Then add, oh,
Then add oil, like she said. Roll up these bubbles. We're gonna move these over to the side. Now I'm back.
so I'm just going to pour in the cocoa
Wheat.
mix.
It's wheat. It says wheat over there.
It's not wheat.
Okay.
So now that you put in your cocoa mix, you're going to add a tablespoon of water.
Tablespoon of water. Let's show them.
And then you're going to add a tablespoon of oil.
And this is what a tablespoon looks like to y'all.
Anybody know what a tablespoon looks like?
Some people don't. Some are bad.
Like you.
She is rude. Okay, is that all we have to put in? Now we mix. We mix.
Now you're going to stir the mixture until it thickens.
Let me do it. While you do something else. You did not see none of that powder. It's floating off automatically. Okay. I see the lovely chocolate. A lovely chocolate. This is what it looks like.
We're still mixing it.
I know. I feel like Lana's doing the funnier than me now.
Oh,
I don't like it.
want me to
Yeah,
mix it?
mix it till you mix it. I just So while we're mixing, let's have a little dance party. So mixing.
This is all you get. It's like brownie batter. And we gotta just, it said spoon that. I was so confused. Swirl with knife and bake immediately.
Back. Stop.
So now we're gonna spoon the cocoa powder
Looks like dirt.
fudge mixture into each
Chocolate.
pan.
Pan chocolate.
And we're each gonna get a pan to swirl it in, which Ava forgot to get a knife, she got a spoon.
gotta mix it with this. How did you get that?
After you
Okay, done.
do that, you're going to use your knife and you're going to swirl the fudge part
Around it?
in with the...
I think I'm supposed to swirl it down as I'm swirling it.
I'm going to just mix it with it and hope for the best.
I'm swirling mine. Maybe this one will look prettier. This is my
It says swirl it, so...
swirl it like you mean it.
So now that we have swirled the fudge in...
Can't eat this.
No. There's eggs in that. Now we're gonna bake it in the center of the oven, and since we're using 2 9-inch pans, we're gonna bake it for 21 to 26 minutes.
Okay. Okay, y'all, what I'm ready for is this Betty Crocker Hershey milk chocolate.
Hey, but how long did it say to cook it again? I forgot already.
350
21 to 26
L.
minutes.
That's what it says. It says oven to 350 L for a Michelin glass. 325 for dark
Okay.
or coated paint.
And now we're gonna cook the cake, and we're gonna come back whenever we finish it.
And we're back.
Our cakes are now out of the oven, and they're pretty cold, and we're gonna flip them now. So we have these racks that we need to flip them with. So just gonna.
I'm not a professional at this.
Did you tap it? And well,
It comes out.
Avis came out okay. Mine's so.
Okay. So this is what they should look like. Y'all can see it, hopefully. Cause like,
And we're gonna get out the first cake. And we're going to
I'm just gonna put it on there. No, second paper.
we're gonna, no, we got,
Oh, we got frosting.
So we're still using the Hershey's milk chocolate frosting. I gotta open it.
Pick that up.
Now I've got to open up the frosting.
Flip it. Flip
Don't
it.
do
Flip
it.
it. Well, I
And apparently it said that we had to mix it.
Mix it. She's always a professional.
Wait, it said that on the box. I'm going off the instructions say.
I'm gonna pull up these camera sleeves. Okay.
So we apparently
You're taking too long. You've got time on these. Lana, no, they let you find this.
I just cleaned them. Okay, got 2.
May I smooth it while you do the other one? Put the stuff in it.
We don't have to
Get
put the
another
stuff on it.
knife. I'll get another knife. So we can do this top layer. Can I do it with you?
No, we use this layer still.
Yeah, I know.
Because we're going to do
No, you don't want to break the cake on.
So we're going to spread it all on this.
I'm about to get angry. You do it gently on. You got only one direction.
It doesn't matter. We'll put another cake on top of it.
Isn't this one perfect with enough chocolate on it? And you. I will put stabbing. I'm not moved. I'm trying to make it all perfect. Mom, get your food.
Another cake is going on top of it.
I know, Lana, but I
Okay.
still want it perfect.
Time to add the other cake.
Real quick, let's get these on the side. Get it all nice and chocolate tea.
Second cake.
And we are good.
Do it this way.
I really want to eat this.
And then it's walking alright.
Maybe we should try to. What'd you do?
I put it.
Don't push it.
Put it there.
So clean hands.
Time to frost.
I think you should say that. Be gently. Don't go on the sides yet. Did the top like. Gotta get that stuff. Okay.
Don't use too much. I'm afraid we're gonna run out of frosting.
Nobody has to worry, we got extra chocolate. We got extra chocolate. And now we'll put it down. I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, Lana, let's take it. Oh, what did he go? I can't even get it. This is me and Lana's tutorial of how to roast a cake. That looks amazingly good. We put it on the wrong side. Even though we're professional, we accidentally flipped it over wrong. Oh, we'll get it on your hair. It looks like a woman. Here, first let's flatten out the first, and then we can go like this. Do that trick people do when cooking shows. Okay. Before I got enough chocolate, Lana.
Go use it all.
We don't. Lana,
I
I was going to eat that chocolate after this. This is what I mean. But don't use it. Lana, we got a burger piece. Sure. Why'd you put that on me? We need to frost the sides better. I'm done. I'm out of here, Lana. Stop putting stuff. Now let me smooth this in.
Here, you want to finish the frosting?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I'm getting angry at you. Frosting tutorial with Ava. You smooth it. That's how you do it. And Lana just ruined it. Like this, I learned this from a shelf. Go like this. And turn it over.
What shelves you been watching?
I don't know. I've been watching myself. That's a beautiful shelf. I'm gonna paddle that up there real quick. I'm just gonna stop doing that. Do that softly. Okay. We're done. That's how you frost the cake. Oh, it's a tutorial.
This is our
lovely cake. Okay.
Lovely cake. So,
Well,
is it okay?
Don't forget to